The gospel isn't about men and women trying to figure out God and figuring him out the best we can. God's trustworthiness and faithfulness is declared in the giving of the Son. It's all about Jesus Christ. If God is for his glory, and he is most glorified when we are satisfied in him, he's for you. He's for your satisfaction. And he will allow you to be born blind so that you can know him and worship him. He will put you through suffering so that you will cling to him more dearly. He will never let you go. That's the promise that we have here before us. In your suffering, cling to Christ as he has revealed in the promises of God for his people. But remember, in your clinging, it's not the strength of your clinging, but it's the object. When my daughter holds my hand, she may think that she's holding on as tight as she can. But the reality is, I am holding on to her and won't let anything happen to her. That's the promise that we have here with Christ.